Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we sorted by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first of all we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we start from left to right, and addition or subtraction we start from left to right. Now we have one division, one addition, one multiplication over 3. Now first of all we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. So numerator 6 plus 6 multiplied by 6 divided by 3. Now we write in parentheses. So first of all we solve parentheses according to the rule, then we solve division. Now we have inside of the parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve addition. So the equation become parentheses 6 plus 6 times 6 gives us 36 divided by 3. Now 6 plus 36 gives us 42 divided by 3. Now the final answer is 42 divided by 2 gives us 14. So the final answer is 14. Thanks for watching.